Do you hate having to prop your hood up every time you open it? Today, I am going to show you how to install hood shocks and get rid of the pesky hood prop for good. First, buy these hood props off eBay. They're around $70 to $80. Next, remove the 10mm fender bolt where the rubber stopper sits. You will need to slide the rubber stopper off the bracket and flip it around. This way the bracket and stopper is not in the way when you install the shocks. Once the bracket is flipped around, make sure it is in the correct orientation like this. Add a washer and screw on the provided hood shock fender bolt. Tighten it down using a 10mm deep socket. Install the provided hood bracket by removing the two 12mm hood bolts. Make sure the shock mounting balls are facing outwards. Pop the shocks on like this and insert the retaining clips into the hole. It can be a bit tricky to get on, but be patient. When you install the shocks, make sure the shock side is mounted to the hood. That's the thicker side. Do the same thing to the other side. It'll be even easier because you don't have a rubber stopper to worry about. Now enjoy your improved quality of life.